Guys, well, there's this really common question that people has been asking me. So like how to change your Android package name. It's really easy though. Let me explain. Just open your Android folder on Android Studio right there. We'll wait a moment until it sinks in. Tip of the day, close, we don't need that. Syncing. Okay, synced successfully. You go to project, make sure to be in project, open your file. In my case it's source, main, Java, and this one. This is your package name, com.app.convertify. Okay, in my case I need to change it, right? So I'm gonna go to refactor, rename package, and right here I'm gonna change this to, let's say, convertify app, right? And it's really important for you to click search in comments and strings and search for text occurrences so that it changes on the whole project and you don't have any problems. Click on refactor. Right now you need to see this do refactor. Please click on it. Okay, so it is refactored. You see here com.app.convertify app. So well, that's pretty much it, and thank you again for coming to me. I hope to see you next time.